1. This is the Restoration Olympics.
We compete against different schools.
And IDing plants, IDing native plants, fish.
This is my second year doing this, so it's pretty fun.
This is a hands-on experience, so if you're really hands-on, it's a good project for you.
It's physical and, I guess, mentally.
We all get together and we all compete against each other. And whoever does the best in all the things that we've learned over the year, we get a medal or prize.
Learn about different plants and native. I've also learned about native species that I've never really heard of. Have to be able to look at it and understand different characteristics of plants and other species.
There's a mulching event, and we just did that. We got back from it. You take mulch and you put a donut around plants to help keep them fertilized, basically, and you have all the stuff from.
Work as a team and get to learn, and you build bonds.
So last year we won the Olympics. We got first place, and we did awesome. Everyone was working as hard as they could. A lot of teamwork, a lot of communication, and we ended up taking home the prize.
Oh, it's really fun doing this. I really enjoy it. We come here either it's rain or shine.
It's definitely a way to have fun. I get a lot of exercise while at the same time exercising my brain. It's really fun. You can hang out and do a lot of stuff.
It's really exciting because it's like the world's opened up to you because there's new things you've learned. It's just like you've never knew about, and it's just like, wow.